Welcome to Boys Are Toys, or Toys for Boys.
Get out of here. That's my brother Tim. He does all my packing sometimes. He does the videos. Okay, so I'm doing some videos.
Is this the right size?
Will you get over there and pack? Okay, so this is Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you got any questions, give us a call. If I don't answer, call again. If I don't answer, then email me. And then call me and then email me again. Because my brain is shorted out half the time. Anyways, we're doing a couple videos here on bow and arrow guns from Parris Manufacturing. They make the best bow and arrow bow and arrows. Not bow and arrow guns, but they make the best bow and arrows. This is the junior, this is the first item, unboxing 7351, the junior archery set. Okay, there's what it looks like. Basically, I mean, this is really the best for the money. Indoor, you can do this indoor, outdoor. They're all soft touch, so we're gonna open one up. And they're nylon, it's nylon fiberglass right here, okay? And you get a little score thing that you can put on the window or a door. You get 3 arrows, nice fiberglass arrows with a suction cup that, look at that. All right, so it's a typical, plus there's a little thing here to hold your bow and arrow, or your arrow when you line her up. Okay, so, you know, you just push it back and, holy cow, that just goes out the roof. You know what, again, this is just a fun toy, okay? I don't know what to tell you. This is just a fun little bow and arrow set for your kid, okay? Holy cow, oh, look at look at that. This is, okay, so this is the junior. Okay, this is the largest of the 3, and I'll be showing all 3 of them because you have your bow and arrow set, the bow and arrow set, but they're different size. This is the largest of them. Okay, this is about 2.5 feet long. The arrows are about 1.5 foot long. Okay, you get 3 arrows. You get the bow. Okay, everything inside this one right here. This is the 7351 archery set from Parris Manufacturing. Fiberglass bow, soft tip arrows, including target. They make the best bow and arrow sets. I mean, fiberglass, nice heavy duty plastic, so you get everything you need. This is the bow right here. Nice rope and everything. Okay, easy tie, you know, so if you have to retie it, it's a very easy tie, you know, like for example, watch. So what you do is you just go out like this. See how they've got that tied here? So you're just gonna, if you have to retie it, okay, it's very easy to do. All right, and just a fun little bow and arrow. Just a fun bow and arrow. Let's see if I can get it to stick on the TV screen. Way over there. Nope, can't get it that far. Oh well, darn it. Let's try one more time here. Let's see. No, I can't do that. Okay, that's ProTinkerToys.com. That's the junior archery set 7351. ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. Don't you like and subscribe.